I have with me here today a box which I will be opening, and it contains a vintage instrument for my collection. And I've been waiting on it for a couple of days, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, moment of truth. Shoot, I opened it wrong. And again. Look at that. Okay, put together. So what I have here is a Wurlitzer C Melody saxophone from about 1925. Now, for those who aren't familiar, there were originally two different families of saxes, if you will. There were your ones in E flat and B flat, which were for your bands, and then a family in C and F for the orchestra. Now, the ones in C and F actually mostly died out, but for a while there, things like these and the C soprano were being made. And this is basically the equivalent of a tenor sax, but it's just a half step higher. Now, I haven't played anything yet. I don't know what I'm about to get out of this. So, this is my first play test. If I can get the neck strap right. May need a smaller neck strap for this. Well, there's the high F, so that's a good sign. Well, I am pleased. It looks like everything works. The only thing that I can see right now is this. The low C does not have a working spring, but that should be easy to fix. So, I don't know if I already mentioned this or not, but for this particular one, this is a Wurlitzer from about 1925, and I found it for incredibly cheap off of eBay. I was actually expecting a lot worse than what I ended up with, so I'm very pleased. And on these older saxes, something that you'll see is a G sharp trill key. So instead of having to use the pinky to trill, you press your regular G sharp, and this will trill to the G instead. And that's something that I wish modern saxes had kept. I very much like the G sharp trill key. Looks like there's a pearl missing on front B flat. Everything seems to be sealing properly since I got down to the low B flat. So I guess aside from that, what I think I'm going to do is a comparison, because it's currently leeching my tenor mouthpiece right now. I'm going to do a comparison between these two, so you can really kind of see the difference and hear the difference. Actually, I can just do the visual comparison right now. There is your sound comparison, and I'll put the picture comparison here. And overall, I'm really impressed with just the saxophone in general. I'm very happy with how it turned out. A lot better than I expected, honestly. The low C spring will have to get fixed, but otherwise, I think I'm just good to go. So hopefully, I'll be using this in some upcoming arrangements, and maybe I'll even bring it to marching band and just mess with my band director. Thanks for watching.